Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Helvie here at OrthoVirginia, Lynchburg. I'm a hip and knee replacement specialist with the group. I'm excited to offer a new service here in town, robotic-assisted hip and knee replacement surgery. And we're excited to bring this technology here in Lynchburg. Until recently, patients had to travel to other areas of the state to get this service, and we're excited to bring it here home in Lynchburg and introduce it to our patients to provide some of the latest technology offered in the hip and knee replacement world. Robotic-assisted surgery is not a robot coming in the room to do the surgery for us. It is a tool we use in the operating room. It is still our hands doing the surgery. The robot is there to assist us and to more accurately perform some of the tasks that are required in knee replacement surgery. It allows us to make more precise and accurate cuts in the bone and plan and execute that plan to a higher degree of accuracy. So the knee replacement that you get is still the knee replacement that feels good to me. I can now understand that better at a more advanced and accurate level. With all the conversations about new technology, AI, and other things coming into our medical world, it's important to know that it's still the surgeon at the end of the day controlling the situation, controlling the operating room, getting you the best hip and knee replacement possible. Most patients who are candidates for knee replacements or hip replacements are also candidates for this advanced technology. If you'd like to learn more about it, please schedule a visit with us. Go to OrthoVirginia.com or call us and schedule an appointment. I'd be happy to talk to you about the pros of surgery and whether you'd be a good candidate for a robotic and technology assisted replacement.